I have a lithium battery here, 12 volts. So it's a 12 volts 100 amp hours. So this was sent to us for a review. So you can see it comes with this terminal. Okay, so we have a cable lug or ring terminal. This is LFP battery. So you can see it's a 12 volts 100 amp hours. Yes, it comes with an handle. So here you can see the terminal were closed so that it doesn't short in transit. Okay, so you can see this is 12 volts 100 amp hour. So you can see the watt hours is 12 times 100, 12.8 times 100, and you can see the charging voltage recommended is 14.4, and the standard charge is 50, and max charge is 100 amps. And you can see the standard discharge as well is the same. Operating temperature is 0 to 50 degrees. So I'll be testing this battery out. First is to do capacity test, and possibly we might do a tear down of this. Okay, come with this QR code. Okay, so we can actually download an app for it. So I will download the app now and check that out. You can see these are the specification again, and you can see every 3 months you need to recharge it, and also there are some warnings on it. Okay, so another interesting part is that it comes with 3 years warranty. So I'm using the QR code scanner. Okay, so you can see, so it has taken us to the link. So there's a link here where we need to download the app. So I will click on it. Okay, so it's opening in a browser. Okay, so it takes us to Google Play Store. So from there, we're able to install the app. So we click on installation now. So you can see, so we have the installation running. Okay, so that is done. Okay, now we can open the app. Okay, so I will skip this for now. Jump plugin. So it said allow, and you can see it says connect. So you connect. So you click this, then we connect. Okay, so we're trying to connect. So you can see this battery comes with 68% state of charge. So you can see the state of charge here is 68%, and you can see the charger discharge MOSFET is on, and it also has a passive balancer in it. So this is a JBD BMS inbuilt. Okay, so we can always see the yeah, so this is the home page. So you can see the cells. This is the total voltage, and this is the average cell. So it has done one cycle. I believe that was during the testing phase actually. So during the testing phase, we can actually see they've used one out of the circles. Okay, so 68%. I'll go ahead and charge this up to 100%, and we'll discharge it and see how many capacity we are able to get from it.